Hello friends, welcome back new video. So today's topic, how to develop communication skills. Improving communication skill is a valuable asset in various aspects of life, from personal relationship to professional success. Here are several strategies to develop and enhance your communication skill. Number 1. Active listening. Pay attention when others speak. Practice active listening by giving your full focus, maintaining your eye contact, and avoiding distraction. Show interest through notes, verbal affirmation, and asking relevant questions. Number 2. Practice empathy. Understand others' perspective and feelings. Empathy helps in connecting with people on a deeper level and improves your ability to communicate effectively. Number 3. Clear and concise expression. Work on expressing yourself clearly and simply. Organize your thoughts before speaking and convey your message in a straightforward manner. Number 4. Body language. Be aware your body language as it can convey a lot about your communication. Maintain good posture, use appropriate gesture, and ensure your body language aligns with your words. Number 5. Develop confidence. Develop confidence. Confidence is communication comes with practice. Start by engaging in conversation with friends, family, and colleagues. Join clubs or groups where you can speak publicly or engage in discussion to build confidence gradually. Now, number 6. Receive and act on feedback. Constructive criticism helps in identifying area for important improvement. Welcome feedback from others and work on the areas highlighted for enhancement. Number 7. Expand vocabulary and language skill. Continuously improve your vocabulary and language skill. Read book, article, or listen to podcast in enhance your command of language, which in turn aids in effective communication. Number 8. Adapt communication style. Be adaptable in your communication style. Different situation and people may require varying approaches approach varying approach to communication. Adjust your style to suit the audience or context. Number 9. Practice regularly. Like any skill, communication improve with consistent practice. Engage in conversation, debates, or presentation regularly to refine your skill. Number 10. Seek learning opportunity. Attending workshops, seminar, or course focused on communication skill. There are various online resources and classes available to help you improve specific aspect of communication. Remember, effective communication involves not just speaking but also listening, understanding, and connecting with others. Practice passion and willingness to learn are key to improving communication skills.